As you guys know, we have 5 outside Labrador Retrievers, and they protect the farm for us. And we love them all so much, and they're definitely a part of our family. But we've always wanted an inside dog, and we have never had one. But today, that will all change. I like this one. Which one? Yeah. Yes, I like that one. This one? This one's good.
Did I see lightning?
Face. So this was not how I planned doing this part of the video, but it is raining and terrible out, so I have to do it inside. But I would like to introduce you guys to Mr. Biggie. So we have coon dogs come and go all the time because that is my dad's thing, I guess. He gets them all the time, trains them, and uses them as project dogs and sells them. So they're not pet dogs, but I didn't expect to be getting another pet dog in probably like 10 more years. But we actually have never had an inside dog, so I am so excited to have Mr. Biggie. He is a now 14-week-old, I'm pretty sure, Yorkie. He was 12 weeks old when we got him, so we've had him for about 2 weeks. The weather has been extremely rainy, and we are having tornado warnings, flash flood warnings, and stuff, so I have not been able to get the video out until today. Also, don't mind the TV in the background. So, let me just say, it has been a really bad struggle trying to get him housebroken. He still isn't housebroken, which he's on the way there, but not fully yet. I do trick dog training and obedience dog training, but I have never had an inside dog before. So it has been a struggle for me to try to get him housebroken, but we're on the way there, and, you know, it's just been really rough on that end of things. So hopefully soon he'll be fully potty trained. Also, he's supposed to be fully hypoallergenic, but my mom is having some allergic reactions to him, which I'm not sure how that's going to be in the long run, but we'll see. But it's really fun Yes. Oh, are you a ghost? He's your turn. Okay. He's insisting on being in the video, so I guess he's just gonna chill out. Okay, Bradley. So do you like having Biggie?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Is he fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's giving you kisses. But yeah, I really love having him around, and he's so much fun. Definitely already really good attached to him, and he's a member of the family. But he will be getting to go to baseball practice and stuff with us, which is going to be happening hopefully next week. since the floods, we haven't really been able to have our first practice yet. So we'll see about that.
See you next time.
See you next time. We're not done yet. But yeah, this is Mr. Biggie, and his personality, I'd say, he can get crazy at times, but he's also super calm.
He's licking me.
He's licking you?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I really do love him, and my dad loves him, even if he doesn't want to admit it. He does know some tricks already, which I should probably show you here in a minute. But that is Mr. Biggie, so I have a bunch more clips and stuff. I'm going to show you guys that.
Speak. Good boy, speak. Good boy, speak. Good boy.
He helped me with school today. That was so nice of him. And he likes my pencil. Willow, what is that thing?
It's a little furry ball. Is that a little furry ball? Yeah. Let's go, Biggie. Let's go. It's okay.
You're gonna lose him in the grass because it's so tall and he's so little.
Bigger. Hey, bud.
Come on, Biggie. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Biggie. Let's go. Let's go, big boy. Let's go. Let's go, Biggie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Biggie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Get up on the porch. You can do it. Come on, Biggie. Let's go.
Come on, you can do it, bud. Good job. Come on. You can do it.
Good job.
This cat wants to eat.
Poor little Biggie. Biggie's cold. He's so cold. You wanna go outside, bud? Yeah.
We're in the basement because of storms. Biggie's just chilling, taking him a nap. We've had tornado sirens and stuff go off, but we've just been chilling. Hopefully we can go up soon. Oh yes, Biggie, your mohawk looks so good.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh.
Goody patootie. Oh yes, you were.
Macey, are you?
I also hatched some chicks last week, so I'm going to show you guys some clips that I got from that. Sorry about the dogs in the background, but Maddie is getting the water and the food ready, and then Chloe and me got this brooder done. It's just trough and straw, and then a very, very old heat lamp that we always use. So we hatched some chicks, and we're going to put them in here, but tomorrow somebody is coming to get them because I sell chicks, so I'm going to show you guys that real quick. So they're in the incubator, and it's time to get them out so they can get in the brooder box. It's pretty dark down here and hard to see, but here are the babies. We had 13, but one didn't make it, so now there's a dozen of them, and it's time to take them out to the brooder box. And we are off with the noisy little babies. Oh my goodness, they're making so much noise in there. I want to get some of them. Okay. Hang on, calm down, you little crazies. Okay, got their food and water, and the little babies are in here, and they're all snuggled up for the night. I think it's cool because I thought they were all black, but
gonna take Pokey and Apple in the rain. You having a good old time in my jacket, huh? Yeah? You wanna go see Pokey? Let's go. Hi, my mans. Hi. Oh, you dropped your apple. Go. And you keep dropping them. Okay, here you go, Ed. There you go. CJ stole a little bit of it. What do you think, Biggie? It is really starting to come down out here, so I'm gonna take him inside because he is cold. We gotta get over all the water. Yeah, better get through it, huh? It's so fun having little Biggie around, and I'm so thankful for him. He's definitely keeping life interesting, and I can't wait to make many more videos and memories with him. We'll see you guys next time.